Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes in Project Zomboid. First, you'll need to gather your basic ingredients: flour, eggs, and milk. Next, locate a suitable cooking utensil, such as a frying pan or a cooking pot. Finally, ensure you have a reliable heat source, like an oven or a campfire, to prepare your delicious meal. This process is straightforward and will significantly boost your character's morale and hunger levels. To begin, you'll need to find the core ingredients. Look for flour, eggs, and milk, which are crucial for the batter. Don't forget cooking oil to prevent sticking. For an extra touch, sugar and butter can be added to improve the taste. These items are commonly found in residential kitchens, refrigerators, and especially in grocery stores throughout the game world. Stocking up is always a good idea for future meals. Once you have your ingredients, combine them in a bowl to form the pancake batter. With your heat source active, place your frying pan or cooking pot onto it. Carefully pour a portion of the batter into the hot pan. Cook the pancake until it turns a lovely golden brown on one side, then flip it over to cook the other side. This ensures an evenly cooked and satisfying meal. After cooking, your pancakes are ready to eat. Consuming them will significantly reduce your character's hunger and boredom, providing a much-needed boost. Remember, cooked food offers greater nutritional value and satisfaction compared to eating raw ingredients. Just be sure to eat your freshly made pancakes before they spoil, as food in Project Zomboid has a limited shelf life. Enjoy your hard-earned meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.